Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can analyze your game in chess.com. Now, if you're playing for free, you can only do this once a day. But if you want unlimited analysis or reviews for each game that you have in your game history like so, you want to be a member. So you need to be subscribed to chess.com. But if you just need to just analyze one game a day, it's pretty easy. It's for free, by the way. And all you need to do is, of course, you need to be logged into your account and go down to game history, and you're going to have an option here that says review, right? So you can just click on review like so. It's going to bring you to the board that you want to review. Wait for it to load. There you go. And then click on start review, right? And then click here on the magnifying glass on the upper right corner like so. It says analysis, right? So you're going to see the analysis here of your game in chess.com. You can actually click on next move, right? Next move. There you go. So that is pretty much how you can analyze or review your game in chess.com. Again, if you're a free account user, you can only do this once a day. If you are a premium user or if you're paying a subscription fee, you can do this for any game and every game that you have. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.